In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track coding projects in Airtable. We'll build a clean, flexible tracker you can update as your work progresses. Start by logging into Airtable on desktop. On the home screen, click Add a base and choose Start from Scratch, or open an existing base you want to repurpose for coding projects. This gives you a dedicated space to organize everything in one place. Next, rename the first table to Coding Projects. This will be your main hub. Add fields that capture what you need day to day. Create project name as a single line text field. Add repository or link as a URL so you can jump straight into your repo or documentation. Use a single select or multi-select for language or tech stack, depending on whether each project uses one or several technologies. Add owner or developer as a single line text to note who's responsible. Create status as a single select with not started, in progress and completed, so your workflow is consistent. Add start date and target completion date as date fields to keep timelines visible. For progress percent, use a number field you can update as you reach milestones, or switch it to a formula later, if you prefer automation. Finally, add notes as a long text field for requirements, blockers, or links you want to remember. As you advance your work, update progress percent and switch status accordingly. This simple habit keeps your tracker truthful and immediately useful for planning. Set up views to keep focus. Create an active projects view filtered to anything not completed. Make a completed view to review finished work. Add by developer and by tech stack views so you can quickly group or filter by person and technology and see where your time is going. Quick reminder, there's a link to the Airtable website at the very top of the description, so you can open it now and follow along. If you prefer the app, you'll find a download link up there too. Use sorting and filtering to surface what matters. Sort by status, target completion date, or progress percent to see priorities and deadlines first. Filter by developer or tech stack when you're planning sprints or code reviews. Optionally, add simple automations. Set a notification when a project passes a milestone, and create a rule to mark status as completed when progress percent reaches 100. These lightweight automations remove repetitive updates. Finally, review and maintain your base regularly. Update progress and notes, and archive completed or abandoned projects to keep everything tidy and relevant. That's how you can track coding projects in Airtable and manage your dev workflow efficiently. Thanks for watching.